Client AR adjustments display the biggest difference between a cash and an accrual method. On an accrual basis, the client AR represents a physical posting that you can also see on the financial statements. Because the client AR is a physical account, you are able to perform functions against the client AR. One basic example of this is the on-account payment, taken by using the old client payment window and applying the payment without picking a policy, which records that payment in the cash ledger and leaves a credit on the client AR. From the same payment window, you have access to the client AR adjustments by clicking the gear and wrench icon. There are several types in the list, but only 3 categories of adjustments. These are bank-level adjustments, which allow you to choose an offsetting ledger account, general ledger adjustments that allow you to choose an offsetting chart number, such as bad debt, and the opening balance adjustment, which has a limited use case. Let's review the opening balance adjustment first. The opening balance adjustment is only used with a balance when beginning accounting as part of a large opening balance entry. Your ASI trainer will coach you on this process and check when done that the entry was correct and balanced. Otherwise, you may add an opening balance adjustment for 0 to allow you to apply an on-account payment using the payment against multiple policy window. In this case, the date does not matter. The second category of adjustments are bank-level adjustment. The 3 of this type are the payment reversal adjustment, return premium to finance company, and cancellation refund adjustment. When used, you type in the amount you wish to return as a positive number, choose the correct date, and click OK. However, most agencies now simply do negative payments instead. All other types of adjustments allow you to select a chart number to offset the entry. For instance, if you are writing off a balance to bad debt, you can select a general account adjustment under Type, apply to a policy if desired, enter the date of the adjustment and the amount as a negative number. When we click OK, we are prompted to enter the chart number to offset. I will choose the bad debt expense account. Back on the client AR, I will replace the generic description with bad debt write-off just to notate the history. This concludes the client AR subseries, but don't forget to review your aged receivables report regularly, which you can learn more about in the month-end reports tutorial.